I think the CMO of tomorrow is going to be very different from the CMO of today, and that's really to do with two things. First of all is the scope of the role. Traditionally, CMOs have come up through the marketing ranks, been very professional marketers, but now as the role of marketing has expanded, so has the role of the CMO. So the CMO obviously has to understand marketing, but also now has a role in technology, has a role in data, content, and the list goes on. So the skill set that a CMO is going to have to be able to have and demonstrate is substantially larger. So I think that's the first way that it'll be quite different. And also in relation to that, I think that CMOs generally have been marketers, but because the breadth of the skill set is so diverse now, you'll find that CMOs can come up the ranks from other professions and other occupations, and I think that will be a change too. The second way that the role of the CMO will change is the level that the CMO will be viewed at. As it is becoming more and more important for businesses to put customer at the centre of their organisation, they need that customer advocate sitting on the board of directors. So whereas traditionally a head of marketing hasn't had a role on the board, I do believe the CMO of the future will have a seat at the board table and will be representing the consumer's view within that forum. Data is changing marketing substantially and will continue to do so. I feel that we're in the first stages of data-driven marketing, in that companies understand the value of it, they're starting to use data, they're starting to be more personalised, but we are at those initial stages. The power that data will bring to marketing is that ability to be more relevant, to be more personalised, but ultimately to be more valuable to the customer. And at the end of the day, when you're trying to cut through the millions of marketing messages that we receive every day and the millions of advertising messages that are coming to us, we have to be more relevant and more valuable, and that is what data will bring to the marketing role. The CMO of tomorrow needs to be the customer advocate, because at the end of the day, the role of marketing is to engage with the customer, to make the customer take an action, and then to deliver ROI for the company. So the CMO really has to understand the customers that they are communicating with, deliver to their needs, provide value to those customers, and that really takes understanding. So it is incumbent on every marketer now to be using the data to understand their customers, to deliver better outcomes for their business, and that's the kind of trail or the chain of events that now needs to happen.